Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to drop a database. Hey, if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. Let's begin. The drop database statement is used to drop an existing SQL database. The syntax is drop database, then the database name which you want to drop. Be careful before dropping a database. Deleting a database will result in loss of complete information stored in the following database. I will show you the example how you can drop a database, but before this I will tell you something, that in the end of the video I will tell you some secrets. For this, stay tuned. Now we will show you how to drop a database by using the query. For this you have to write down drop database, and I will here drop this database test db1. So I will write down here test db1, then I will just press OK, and you can see the database has been removed from here. Now it's time to tell you the secrets. Before you dropping any kind of database, you have to check that you have the admin privilege, otherwise you won't able to drop the database. And once the database has been deleted, you can check it from the left hand side where the database name is showing, or you can write down a SQL query and it will give you output that how many databases are present and what are the databases are present in the database. So I will show you the SQL query to check the database name. For this you have to write down show databases and just run the query. It will give you a list of database name which are present in the server. That's it for this video.